everybody. I promised I would do a mystery box package, so that's what I have today. Well, it's actually more like a mystery bag. I have it right here with me. I just can't show you anything right now because the pack is actually has a bunch of information on it right now on it. But here we go. I found it. Got it now. So you got this tall girly on the front. Let's open it right now. So let's get one pull, a box, a pack. So here we go. So we got Todd Gurley, Prism, Ryan Tannehill Prism, Patrick Peterson, more Prism, a rated rookie. Oh, a clear cut rated rookie of Tyler Johnson. Looks to be. That's pretty cool. Glenn Gronkowski. Don't know what I'm doing over here. Keith Van Horn. Prestige 2020, Jalen Johnson. Stargazing, Blake Bortles. Jarvis Landry, recent signing of the Saints. Rookie of Marcus Green. Jim Brown, standout players. Rob Gronkowski, score. Signal callers, Aaron Rodgers. Dalton Schultz. Simi Cobbs, Avante Maddox. Ooh, we got an auto of Max Brown. So Mitchell Trubisky, Emmanuel Butler, Viking, my favorite team. Dalvin Cook, Chase Young score. We got some Matt Ryan, Nick Chubb flashback, and Robert Woods for the Rams. That's it, guys. That's all we have for today. I know it's a short video. I'll show you our best hits probably right here. Put these in sleeves. We got a Max Brown auto. Sticker auto, but that's okay. From draft. I believe it's from Draft Picks. It's a Leaf product. And then we got a clear cut, which is pretty cool. Oh, Tyler Johnson, a rated rookie from Donruss. Pretty cool. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. eBay will be linked down below on this video. Remember, I got 4 mystery boxes of my own for sale, in case you want to check that out. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.